Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to our science class for today.
Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing to you the natural disaster in page 170 of your science book. But before we will go to our main topic, I will let you read this vocabulary. If you don't understand the vocabulary, you may use your Google translation to translate the words so that you will understand the meaning of each word. So I will read unexpected, number 1, unexpected, number 2, property, property, number 3, environment, environment, number 4, cause, cause, number 5, effect, effect, number 6, prevention, prevention, number 7, natural disaster, natural disaster, number 8, human activities, human activities, human activities, number 9, storm, storm, 10, damage, damage, number 11, destroy, destroy, number 12, ruin, ruin, number 13, warning, warning, 14, slope, slope, 15, evacuation, evacuation, 16, occurs, occurs, 17, landslide, landslide, 18, deforestation, deforestation, 19, weather forecast, weather forecast, 20, volcano eruption, volcano eruption. And after you read these vocabularies, you are going to video yourself while you are reading. And after you video yourself, you have to send the video to my line. This is my line, and send your video here. Alright, so we'll go to our topic, natural disaster. What is natural disaster? A natural disaster is an unexpected geological event that destroy life, property, and environment. So this is an unexpected event that will happen in time, in our places, any days, that nobody can tell us when it will happen. It will just come unexpectedly. So we have to be ready every day. Alright? So this is a natural disaster. So number 1 natural disaster is earthquake. So earthquake will happen anytime, any days. So even we have tools to tell that there is an earthquake, but it cannot tell when it will happen. It cannot tell exactly when it will happen. So in this disaster, many people will be affected. Many people die because of this disaster. Many buildings are broken. Many properties are lost because of this disaster. So what is the cause, or what are the causes of earthquake? Number 1 is tectonic movements of earth. So when the earth moved, or when the earth tilt, it could cause an earthquake. So this picture is caused by the earth. This picture is an example of the earthquake. Okay, many buildings are broken. Okay, this is an example of an earthquake disaster. Next is human activities. Okay, human activities make dam or water reservoir, but related to the extra water pressure created in the micro cracks and fissures in the ground under the near a reservoir. So we have to be careful because this dam or dam nearby your place might have a micro cracks or fissures that could create an earthquake. Okay, remember that water pressure is so strong in this place, or in this dam. Okay, we have to be careful if you live near the dam, so have to be careful if there is a minor crack in that under the ground in that dam. Next, the other one is mine blasting. So mostly people who are digging golds or digging silver or precious stones or minerals in the using land mine blasting. So they are using this to find, people used this to find a mineral in that under the soil or under the rock, to crack the rock or the soil. But the effect of this, it can create an earthquake because of the impact of this land mine. Okay, so we have to be careful if we are living near the place that the place of the miners, if there are people who are digging minerals, okay, nearby our place. So next one, nuclear explosion. So in Fukushima, Japan, during World War II, the American used nuclear weapons to fight against the Japanese soldiers. So they bombed Fukushima, Japan. And what happened? Many people died in that nuclear explosion, and many lives, many properties are being lost in that event. So this also can create, nuclear explosion can create an earthquake because of the impact of the weapons. Alright, effect of earthquakes. What are the effects? We have called aftershock, after earthquake, aftershock. So it affects our mental and emotional health of the people. So people are sad because they lost their properties or they lost their loved ones. Okay, they're very they are emotionally and physically sick. All right. The other one is loss of life and property. So I told you already that many people lost their lives, lost properties because of the earthquake disaster. So prevention of before earthquake. So if there is earthquake, we have to stay calm ourselves and seek strong shelter such as under table. So if there is an earthquake in your place, if there is an earthquake in your place, you are going to seek strong shelter like under table to cover yourself. Okay, so that you will be safe. Okay, it might have a rock or an object that will fall on your head or on your back, so the table can cover yourself. Alright, this is the proper way of saving yourself during earthquake. Okay, or other one is do not use lift. If there is earthquake, do not use lift. Rather, you can use the stairs, okay, to go down and move yourself to the safe place. Okay. Next is you have to wear shoes. Okay, when there is and leave the building immediately. You have to wear shoes because it might have sharp objects that could harm your foot or your feet. So don't forget to wear your shoes if there's an earthquake. If you are driving, you have to stop the car and park your car not on the bridge, but you have to park your car far the bridge so that your car and you will be safe. Next is tsunami. Alright, this is another disaster. I remember in 2004 there is a tsunami in Krabi province. So many properties are destroyed, many people are died because of this disaster. So it is a tsunami. What is tsunami? It is a Japanese word meaning harbor wave or series waves. It caused by large of ocean waves crash onto land. So it's a series of waves, many waves, and the water will goes high to and destroy the properties and lives of the people. Cause of the tsunami. One of the causes of tsunami is the undersea volcanic eruption. So if there is a volcano in the sea, it can cause a tsunami because of the impact of the blast of the volcano. Okay. Next is nuclear test. Okay, if there is a nuclear test nearby your place, so you have to be careful because this nuclear test can create a tsunami because of the impact of the blast. Okay, asteroids hit the ocean. Okay, if there is asteroids hit the ocean nearby your place, it can also create a tsunami. Next, okay, history. The history of tsunami is mostly, if there is a tsunami, it's because of the tectonic. Most tsunamis are caused by tectonic earthquakes. So, tectonic earthquakes. So if there's earthquake, if our Earth moves, so it might have a tsunami in our place. Okay. Okay. What are the effects? What are the effects of tsunami? So loss of property and life, loss of life and property. So many properties are broken and many lives are lost. Right. So the other one is, okay, coastal areas and surroundings environment are impacted and it takes time to restore. So these areas here cost maybe thousands of baht or thousands of dollars, and just a day or an hour, it being destroyed by the waves or by the earthquakes. So this one is it takes time, it takes more money to spend to beautify the place again. So that is the one of the effect of the tsunami. Other one is flood. I remember uh, in Ubon Ratchathani last year, there was a flood, okay, in Warin, okay, Warin area, Warin place. So many people are affected, and many properties are lost because of that uh, natural disaster. What are the causes, or what the causes of flood, storm, and heavy rain? Okay, storm and heavy. There is a heavy rain. It can create a flood, especially in lowland area. Lowland area. Other one, deforestation. If you if your place, or if the place don't have trees, if the people cut the trees, so it can create also a flood, because the forest cannot get rid of the excess volume of water, because there are no forests anymore. Okay, forests are already forests are or trees are already cut. So instead, if there is rain, the forest absorb the water, but what happened is the trees died because the people cut the trees. So what happened to the water? The water will go down the streams and will go to the lowland area. So there's a flood. So another one is improper waste and garbage. So some people throw garbage anywhere. They don't throw the garbage properly. So it could create also a flood in our area. So we have to put our garbage in a trash can or in a bin properly. Another one, water released from dam reservoir. So when they released water from the reservoir, so what happened to the lowland area? Okay, they will also be flooded because of the too much volume of water released by the dam reservoir. So what are the effects? What are the effects of the flood? Okay, these are the effects. Okay, destroy all area and product. So no more people sell vegetables, because no more people sell bread or whatever, or cooks whatever they have, the business they have, because of the flood. So their lives are affected because of the flood. So okay, what else? Ruin important social and religious and cultural places. So this is the cultural places, old temples was being ruined because of the flood. Okay, natural disaster, flood. So how to prevent flood? Okay, you have to listen to weather forecast. So you have to listen to the TV, you have to listen to the radio if you are living in the mountain, so that you can so that you will know if there is storm, or there's a rain, or there is a typhoon coming. All right, so the other one, prepare yourself and property, move to high area. So if you are living in a lowland area, you have to move to a high area if there is coming storm, or if there is water released from the dam. So you have to move immediately to the high land area. Another one, landslide or mudslide. So this is one of the very horrific landslide, okay, that I ever seen. So especially in the slope area. Okay, slope area, it will happen anytime, especially if there is a heavy rain. Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
god!
Landslide. See? Landslide. Okay. That's what happened after a landslide. Many properties are destroyed. Okay. This is the slope area.
Oh shit!
Right. So especially slope area. Okay. Slope. See. What happened? Because there are no trees to hold the soil. People cut the trees. So what happened? There is a landslide. Okay. Okay. See. Oh, they cannot pass because of landslide. See the buildings, new buildings.
मैंने काम कर दिया खड़ा वो देख 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 देख
People.
रोड भी आ रहा है वही रोड भी आ गया वही
So many cars. See, there are many properties damaged. Okay. It's a horrific, one of the horrific events. Okay, the other one. We'll go to, okay. There are masses of rock, soil, and mud filling down at the slope of a mountain. So this is the slope area. Okay, slope area. Especially slope area, you have to, if you live in a slope area or near, you have, if your home or if your house have a slope area, you have to be careful. Okay, because it can have a landslide any time. Okay, so next, continual rainfalls. Okay, if there is continual rainfalls, the soil will be well, loosen, and it can also create a landslide. What else? Earthquakes. Okay, if there is an earthquake, so the soil move, okay, or cracked, so it can also create a landslide. Deforestation, so people cut the trees, so it can create landslide because trees are already cut by the people, so the roots of the trees cannot hold the soil anymore. So what happens? The soil will be loosened and can create a landslide to a certain place anytime. So these are one of the weakest. It weakens the soil. This one, it weakens the soil because of these human activities. They dig, they find a natural mineral in the ground. So it's human activities. It's us people create we create some natural disaster that could destroy the lives of other people. So what happened? What is the effect of? What are the effects of landslide? All right, the effects of landslide: loss of property. So you see, loss of property. What else? Okay, this is before they got before they dig the natural mineral. So after they dig the minerals, so what happened to the trees? No more trees anymore, because they already cut the trees. And what happened to the soil? What happened to the soil? The soil weakens, and it can create a landslide. So what happened? If there is like that, we have also to listen to the weather forecast regularly. Every day we have to, at least you can listen to the news from the TV or from the radio. Okay, so if there is a landslide, you have to if you can see the signs that there is a cracked soil in your beside your home, beside your place that you stay in, so you are going to evacuate immediately. So you have to find places or find place that is safe. Okay, so that you will not be harmed. Okay, so that's all. In your activity, you are going to write. Okay, you are going to write here the natural disaster. These are the answers here below. You just write number 1 in your notebook. Okay, you can write in your notebook, and you can draw this in one paper because you are already grade 6, so you can draw and write and draw and color the natural disaster. Okay, and here write what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this. You research it. Okay, and you write the natural disaster. These are the answers. Find the answers below. Now, what is your activity? This is your activity number 2, because your activity number 1 is reading the vocabulary. Okay, reading the vocabularies. That is your activity number 1, and send the video to my line. And reading in activity number 2, you are going to answer the natural disasters. Okay, so in activity number 3 is you have to choose natural disasters in the activity in here. Okay, you choose the natural in here. Just choose 2. You choose 2 and write the definition, cause and effect, like this. Okay, for example, wildfire. Okay, wildfire. You are going to write the cause. What is the cause of? You have to write first the definition of wildfire. Okay, definition. Write the definition. What is wildfire? Okay, what is wildfire? Wildfire. Okay, you write here the definition of wildfire. Okay, the other one is you are going to write the cause. What is the cause of what are the causes of wildfire? Okay, you find that you search in Google or in the library. You search the causes of wildfire. Okay, and the effect. What are the effects of wildfire? Okay, effect of wildfire. And the last one is we have to write and how to prevention. 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 Okay, this one is the effect and this one is the prevention. You write as many as you can. Okay, you can write 5 effects or 3 effects, maybe 3 effects of wildfire, 2 or 3 effects of wildfire, and you can write the 2 or 3 effects on how to prevent wildfire. Alright, so you have how many activities? 3. Number 1, you are going to make a video while you are reading on these vocabularies and send it to my line. Number 2 is you are going to answer the natural disasters, and you can find the answers below the pictures. Number 3 is you are going to research 2 disaster, and you write the definition. For example, wildfire. And what is wildfire? You are going to write the definition of wildfire. Write it in your bond paper. And after that, you are going to write the cause or causes. Okay, causes of wildfire. Causes of wildfire. Or causes of another one. You can see here, causes of sandstorm or hailstorm, or drought. Okay, you can say drought. Okay. Causes of drought. And you are going to find the effects. What are the effects of drought? What are the effects on how to prevent drought? Okay, prevention of drought. So that's all for today, and I hope you will pass your activities on my line so that I can check it if your answer is correct. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.